Video I'm going to show you how to find group chat on Instagram. So if this video did helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. So let's show you from beginning. First of all, open Instagram and then tap on message icon in this top right corner, and here is lots of conversation here. To find group chat, as you can see, here is the avatar. In this conversation only showing one avatar photo, but first one is showing two avatar photo. That's mean this one is group chat, but you can search, just swipe down, then tap searching by group name, just like that. This one and this one is group chat on Instagram. So that way you can find group chat on Instagram. So pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.